I-80 eastbound near central Nebraska. I observe heavy cloud formations northeast of me heading southeast, directly into my path. At first it seemed manageable to drive. The winds were stronger than normal, but after about 15 miles, they began to blow harder. And I had to make a quick decision: keep trying to drive out of the storm system or find a place to park off the highway. Since I knew I was coming up on a familiar truck stop, I made the decision to exit the highway and wait out the storm.
I better jack this truck to the right a little bit. Try to keep it from being tipped over. Now you can hear the sirens. Yeah, the tornado sirens are going off now. Oh God, this thing's a tornado. Hang in there, kids. Yeah, I can't park yet. See somebody pulling in.
It's the next morning. We were lucky.
Back glasses broke out.
Some drivers weren't so much. 2 tractor trailers and 1 RV were flipped over on the highway, causing the highway to close.
Oh my word. It almost looks like the inside got smashed up too. Look at this. Oh, hi. Yeah, I was in the storm last night. This from the storm? So that is from the storm last night. I thought so. I was over here. I was getting ready to park. It started hitting me on the highway, and I was getting off just in time. And by the time I got on this parking lot, I couldn't even see. And there was a truck in front of me. He couldn't see either, so we just stayed there with our flashers on.
I live about 12 miles south of here.
Yeah?
And yeah, we had rain and a good old thunderstorm, nothing like this.
It was a minor tornado, I think, from what I heard on the CB. 2 trucks got turned over on the highway and 1 camper.
Okay. Well, we have cameras, on the building, and I haven't seen it yet, but the boss has the video, the one in the front. The camera caught it. You can watch it blow over. Yeah, he said that, you can see it, and all of a sudden you can, well, of course there's no sound, but, you can see it kind of shift, and then just...
Oh my.
Yeah.
Well, I guess it's empty, I'm guessing.
Yeah, they're empty, yeah.
I was feeling it. I'm heavy.
Yeah.
I got like 44,100 pounds,
Yeah.
and it was rocking me. I crooked my truck, a little bit of a jackknife to help give me a little bit of leverage in case it did try to knock me over.
Yeah. Boss lives just a mile and a half that way, right on this spur. And he had like golf ball to tennis ball size hail.
Yeah, I got hit by hail too.
He's got windows knocked out of his house and a shop there too. There's some trees, branches bigger around as you could reach around that are broke off.
And said that he had to move those 2 trailers because they were leaning against each other. So he just came out here and moved them. And he said that this trailer just wants its belly rubbed. These guys are funny. But yeah, he said that the hail blew out his son's windows in his house, and a bunch of trees got knocked over in town. I could have blew the glass all over the place. That wind was coming down. Oh, look at the side of this car. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this car got belted. That's what was hitting me last night. Wow, look at this. It broke right through the brick.
Nebraska is the United States' 5th most active state for tornadoes, averaging 55 tornadoes per year.
Poor BMW took a beating. Wow.
EF0 and EF1 are considered the weakest tornadoes with wind speeds of 65 mile per hour to 110 mile per hour. This one had speeds estimated to be 90 to 97 mile per hour according to the active weather alert.
This telephone pole back here got pushed over. I was parked right there last night, right just on this side of that little silver car. I was parked probably right about, let's see, I'll tell you right here. I come in like this, yeah, somewhere right around in here. I was in like this, and then since the wind was coming from this direction, I turned my truck a little bit this way to help support my truck from getting blown over. Trying to jackknife a little bit, not a lot, just a little bit.
If it were much stronger, no amount of jackknifing would prevent flipping the truck if hit directly on the side.
Look at this telephone pole. I imagine by now they got the mess picked up on the highway, so I'm going to go ahead and walk around, do a pre-trip inspection, make some coffee, and get going.